Hey friends, if the Microsoft Management Console is not working on your Windows system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to troubleshoot in the clean boot state. So search for command prompt, search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open the system configuration window. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services check, click on disable or apply and OK and then restart your computer. The next solution is to run an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to repair the Windows system image. Now I'll give you the best option for this, a cloud download. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and select recovery. Click on reset PC and then select remove everything and finally select cloud download when the option appears. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.